Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about the top four cases right here that I have for the Honor X10 5G. So without any further waiting, let's jump into it. So this is a really nice device right here. As you can see, it has the Kirin 820 processing chip on here. Really quick 90 hertz display, and we're gonna jump into it. Side mounted fingerprint sensor, and we still get a headphone jack with the pop-up selfie camera. So this is just a really good device. The cameras on here have 4K on the front and rear. We're gonna see if the cases will line up to the camera module as well, but I did unbox these two suede ones already in a separate video, so I'll link that in another video. But I wanted to include it as in the best cases because I really think that these do offer a lot of camera protection as well. So let's just check out these three right here first, because we've already seen this one, but I'll come back to these two in just a second. So let's kind of start out with this one. Okay, cool. This mimics leather. It has this plastic thing over top of the camera. The side is a TPU style material. It's a little bent right here. So I don't know if you can see that, but the back, it mimics leather, which is kind of cool. I like that. And then on the inside, it has like this shock absorption technology. And then it says the X10 down here, it does say on the bottom. So it does have a cutout here for your fingerprint. Volume rockers are gonna be here. The bottom has a speaker cutout and Type-C and microphone cutout, pop-up selfie camera cutout, and headphone jack and microphone as well. Let's go ahead and put this one inside. Okay, so that fits pretty much perfectly. You could see that looks really nice. It has like a squared off, but with a round edge on here. So when you're holding it, it's gonna feel really square, like really cool. I like that though. Changes the whole shape of the phone, and you get grip on the sides down below. The case is kind of evened out now that it's on, so that part where it was bent straightened out automatically. Now the fingerprint is working every single time. Let me look at the camera and take a photo. Okay, so I just took a photo. I just want to see if there's any blur at the bottom, which there's not, so that's pretty cool. Let me see. Let me take one more. Okay, cool. So yeah, there's no blur at the bottom, so the camera, it's clear from the case. So I give this case I would give it a 9.5, almost a 10. The only thing is it doesn't provide too much lip protection, so that's the reason why. And it's not like a military grade, it's just for style, but it covers the back really well. And I have a tempered glass on here, so you wouldn't really need much lip anyway. So I give this a pass. This is definitely a go. Then we have this, this is the one I was talking about that I already covered. So let me just put this on here. This one is a solid, I would give this one a 10. It's like an all rubber material. And the fit is crazy. Look, I'm having a hard time getting that last corner on, but I would really give this one a 10 just because the material is all matte black. And then you have it in blue as well, but it has a cutout for the camera and also the camera module. It doesn't get in the way when you go to take a camera down here. There's no blur. Sometimes this line will get in the way of the camera. So this one's a pass as well. So I'll give this one a 10. There's nothing wrong with it. And then the inside has that suede material, which I really do like. All right, so moving along, we're gonna go on to, I wanna try this one and test this one out. All All right, so this one comes inside of a bag, which is cool. Oh wow, this is sick. All right, cool. So this feels like matte on the sides, like a matte black with a matte clear TPU. It's like translucent because the light can get through, but you can't really see all the way through it. Let's put this on here. And this is more of a military grade case. It has like the rough corners for drop protection on every corner. And on the bottom it says Zundu right here. So this is the Zundu case. Let's look at the camera. Let's do effects, stage lighting. Cool, it didn't blur out the bottom. And this is cool because you get all these different effects on the portrait. And it's flipping my face. You could always change that back. Let me see. Right here, you can go to the settings and you can go to mirror right here. So like whatever you do, it's gonna look like how you took it. I like that better because it looks how I'm facing. It doesn't flip it. All right, cool. So this case is a 10 overall. It has really good grip. You could even see the back of the phone still. So this is a solid 10 for this case, and it has military grade, the Zundu case. Now we're gonna take a look at the Kishin case, and this is it says, I am a very good choice for mobile protection, shell. Oh wow, this is fire. Look at this thing. All right, so this is like all clear, but it's like a smoky, translucent material. So it's like a like a smoky clear. This is sick, and it has an orange highlighted buttons. Okay, that looks really good. I give this one a 10 just off of looks alone. The buttons feel really good on that one. The fingerprint is a little bit hard to get to, but it actually works. Yeah, that works perfectly fine. The buttons feel really good. And then let me test out the camera. Yeah, this is sick. This is probably my favorite one. And then the next one would be this one, and then this one. Let me know which one is your favorite right now, but overall all of these cases look really, really good. But this one, in my opinion, would be a 10 just off of the looks alone on this case. I mean this phone, and you can see that it makes the camera flush as well directly. So let me put it on the flat surface. Yeah, it's completely flush now with the case on there. They did a good job of doing that. You can see right there at that angle. Let me put the other cases on to test out the flushness of the camera. Oh, this one has that thing on the back, so it's, you don't even, this is gonna even out the camera. You get a little camera hump right there, and then all of these have the hump on there as well. You see what I'm talking about? So these are some really, really solid case options right here for your Honor X10 5G. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll check you guys on the next video. Peace, later crew. I'll get right back with you.